Hi, I'm Sasha. In today's mini Spanish lesson, we're talking about when to use the verb estar, to be in Spanish. We use the verb estar when we want to talk about something that's not permanent. To remember when to use this verb, you only have to remember the following acronym: place, position, location, action, condition, and emotion. Here are some examples. Position: yo estoy parada. I am standing. Location: tú estás en la sala. You are in the living room. Action: él está comiendo. He is eating. Condition: ellos están enfermos. They are sick. Emotion: nosotros estamos felices. We are happy. If you enjoyed this mini Spanish lesson and you want to see more, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Ciao!